Käräjäoikeus in Varkaus. Very nice. But it has been upgraded by Gratis, so...
Yeah, boring.
It's nice old Gentoo. 2004, 8 persons, so 630 kilograms. You want an E3765 Otis. I so like this, but I don't like these LED lights.
Yeah, that's so crap.
But this picture is very nice.
Yeah.
There's some views. Go there, yeah. It's quite big building.
Yeah.
I like this old machinery.
Yeah.
Do you like this?
Yeah. Good novelist. Of course, much better. This is quite nice.
I don't think so, but it is just my auto.
Yeah. Did by inspector, maintained by Köln.
It has the new fucking KS shit alarm button there.
Yeah.
It is much better still than safe one.
Yeah.
No, John. There's a...
Yeah. That's it.